Hello guys, so now we are going back home. I hope you guys will follow me. You enjoy the trip. Let's go. I supposed to take taxi, but because of you guys I'm not able to take the taxi. I'll walk down so that you'll be able to see the area very well. Yeah, we are going. I hope you are enjoying it. Follow me to the end of the trip. Thank you guys. I really admire you. You follow. Let's go. That's the road. So it's not an easy going, but because of you I walk down by my leg to make sure I make the video fine and perfect. Thank you guys. I love you. Yeah. Let's go to the long journey. Let's go to the long journey. Bye. They're just Arab kids. They are playing around our area. We are going. We are going. We are going. Don't get tired. Just be calm. Just be watching us. So I'm gonna cross the road again. This is the road to my house. I don't think we walk how many minutes now, and this is another exam. It's right there. It's another pharmacy. So at the front of me going to, we met another pharmacy. So as you can see how Turkish people take their health seriously. Their health is very, very important. So they do take care of their health. And I told you, in 5, 6, 7 minutes, you walk to a supermarket. And this is another supermarket located here. You can see the name. I don't know if you can see because it's a reflection of the sun there. So that is the name written there. And another just opposite, you see, by the opposite light, the name is written in green, 5. So they are just opposite. And we're still going. At the front you also see many bunch supermarkets. They are just, I don't think if they are jealous of each other, because they build their supermarket very, very close to each other. So we are going to see each and every one of them. This is a local canteen. It's more or less like supermarket too, but it's just a canteen. And this one is newly open. It's a restaurant on the street, so you can see. And we have pet shop. This is pet shop. You can shop for your pet, like you have cow, You have dog and other things. And this is another supermarket there. You can see there. This one is school. Anar College. They call school college. And this one is dentist. This is their signboard. It's dancing. They just open here. So if you need repairing of your teeth or mouthwash, it's just close to my house. Yeah, this is the college. As we are going, all those buildings at my place before my house there is a bunch of supermarkets close by each other. So here they make shop easy. But for me, I rather go to the shop. I shop now for my kids because it's a far bit from my house. I do exercise to get there. And we don't have some things that have in that supermarket they don't have in our nearest supermarket. And though that supermarket too is cheaper because it's a government supermarket, so it's a little bit cheaper. But there is another supermarket at front of me now. It's cheaper than where I went now because that one too is for government. So we are close to our area. I'm going to end the video because we are very close to my house. Yeah. And you know, in my area, they respect me. They don't think I'm doing video anyhow, I mean. So I don't want them to see me. You know, and as I told you, today is a sunny day. So many of these Turkish people, they will be outside their homes because of the sunny to perceive the fresh air. And this is a local shop. You buy your meat, any kind of meat, red meat, like cow. And this is Kuyafo is a barber salon and a women's salon. So this is another supermarket. You can see 101 here. And this one is for government. And another one just opposite this side is their soak. The right soak there, just opposite. All of them, they are supermarkets. You see? So I like their lifestyle. No jealous. And they make life easy for their citizens. So lives here are very easy. Their citizens are not really suffering like we do in Africa. Yeah, this is another shop. I don't know it's for what. I see 3 lions. Okay, Kiralik is a shop for rent. They open it, and this is another shop. This one, if you want to shop for anything, you can buy here. So they are just like close to each other. Everywhere, any little walk you walk, you meet a shop. So I hope you guys enjoy it. I really love it. I filming everything for you, for your sake. I know you're gonna love it. So in case if you need more video, yeah, this is Royal Park. Though they too, they sell things. Anything you want there, you're gonna find it here. It's very easy. So this is it, and this is it. That shop you can see there, they are selling shop. They are selling fish, like fish. I mean fish, big. You can see big fish there. So yeah, that next corner is my corner home. So I'm now gonna cross. You can see here. So I'm going home. I will end the video here because I'm gonna cross the road, and here there is no sign for you crossing. You can see me crossing. So thank you guys. Thank you. See you next. Bye.